Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to print from Fusion 360 and keep it in scale so it will be one-to-one size in real life. So I've got this drawing here, well, this body, and as you can see it's made up of a 50 by 80mm box that I've extruded a bit. So this is what I want to print. One thing to keep an eye on is the orientation of how you want to print it. So for me, I want to take this top view. So I've got the dimensions of this box to draw from. Then I'm going to go to design, drawing from design. This window will pop up. Sometimes the OK button, it'll be grayed out and you have to change what the drawing is going to be created from. So I've gone full assembly, so you might have to change it. But anyway, I'm going to be printing on an A4 paper, so the printer is going to be A4. So I'm going to choose this, which I think is landscape. Yep, landscape A4, and I'm going to press OK. And now it's going to ask you to place your object or your body or your sketch or whatever you're trying to print. So you just place it. And remember from earlier, I mentioned that I wanted the top view, so I'm going to change my view orientation to top. And here's the important part. You just change your scale to 1:1. Press OK. Now, if you were trying to save this as a PDF, you won't be able to unless you have the paid version. Which, if you're watching this, I'm guessing you don't. So there's a way around that. You can go File, Print, and yeah, you do Microsoft Print PDF, and make sure your orientation is the same as your page in the background. So yeah, landscape, and the main thing is to keep your scale to 1:1. And if you hit print, it will create a PDF, and blah blah blah. But I want to print directly to my printer right now, because I want this in my hands. So same thing, print. I'm going to choose my printer, make sure the scale is 1:1, and landscape, and then hit print, and that's it. If you're trying to print a DXF to scale, go to Insert, DXF, browse for your file, select from my computer, select your file, select the plane, and that's all okay, so just okay. And now we're going to go to Design, Drawing from Design. Again, I'm leaving it on full assembly, A4, because that's what my printer is. That's okay. And remember from before, my orientation was top. My scale is 1:1, yep. And now it asks me to place the drawing. I've placed it, but this is a bug within Fusion, or maybe there's something I don't know, but it seems to be a bug because I've clicked it and this little square comes up, and when I press OK, then my actual DXF drawing comes up. And then it's the same as before. File, Print, scale 1:1, and match my orientation, landscape. That's it, print. Thanks for watching. And here you go. This is printed out. And as you can see, 80mm.